Tata Group of companies, they're all in focus, whether it's Tata Motors, Tata Chemicals, or the other group companies as well. That's because probably the news flow suggests that Tata Sons might be looking at listing soon on the bourses, maybe over the course of the next 1 to 2 years. And brokerages have written on the same. My colleague Somit is joining us with the analysis from one such report. Somit.
Tata Sons listing, which is expected to happen in the next 1.5 years, is one of the most talked topics on the market, and that is because there are 4 listed Tata Group companies that could actually see some value discovery happening from this listing of the holding company that is Tata Sons. Now, to understand that, first let's look at the shareholding pattern of Tata Sons. Now, there is Dorabji Tata Trust, Ratan Tata Trust, and other promoter trust trust which owns close to around 66% stake in the company. Apart from that, there is Sterling Investment and Cyrus Investment, which own close to around 18% stake in the company. Then there is Tata Motors, Tata Chemicals, which own around 3% stake individually. Tata Power owns around 2% stake, and then there is Indian Hotel, which owns additional 1% stake in the company. Now, what could be the value of Tata Sons on listing? Now, if you see the market value of the listed investments that Tata Sons has, that value stands at around 16 lakh crore rupees. Now, the group could also derive another 1 to 1.5 lakh crore rupees from its stake in other unlisted entities and step-down subsidiaries. Now, given the fact that Tata Sons is a holding company, there would be a holding company discount that will be applicable, as we have generally seen in the market. Now, assuming that a 30% discount is applicable, then the actual value of Tata Sons on listing could be around 12.6 lakh crore rupees. If 40% discount is applicable, then the value could be around 11 lakh crore rupees, and on 60% discount, the value could be around 7.8 lakh crore rupees. Now, even if we assume a 60% holding company is applicable on Tata Sons on listing, then the value of Tata Sons on listing could be around 7.8 lakh crore rupees. This means that the 3% stake of Tata Chemical in Tata Sons is valued at close to 20,000 crore rupees, which is nearly 80% of its market capitalization, which stands at close to 25,000 crore rupees. Now, in case of Tata Power, if you see, nearly 21% of its market cap is equal to its stake value in Tata Sons. In case of Tata Motors, it's 16%, and in case of Indian Hotels, it stands at around 19%. Now, do remember, this is assuming that the holding company discount stands at around 60%. If the holding company discount is on the lower side, then the value discovery for these 4 listed Tata Group companies could well be higher, and hence these Tata Group companies have been buzzing in trade.
Okay, that's the exclusive buzz that my colleague Somit is picking up. Somit, thanks for that info. It seems that Tata Sons IPO could be here in as short a time frame as 1.5 years. Perhaps the estimated investment value could be about 16 lakh crore rupees, and it can add about 1 to 1.5 lakh crore rupees of value from its unlisted investments as well. That's what we are picking up right now.